Hi, I'm Karen and Cyndi, and we're here from Gromes Sewing Machine for another Tipsy Tuesday.
We're happy to be back. Today, we are going to do a segment for you on pinning. So, for those of you that are quilters, or maybe just general sewers, what's the worst thing that happens when you put a seam together? Doesn't line up, right? Well, Karen here has the perfect tip for you. So, here is Karen with her Tipsy Tuesday tip just for you.
So I have this block, and I need to sew these two together. And it's pretty important that this point and this point line up like this, or it will really show up. And so I'm going to show you a trick to getting this to line up to match these seams. So I'm going to take my pin, and I'm going to put it right there in that point where I want it to match up, right there in that point. When I come out, I'm going to put it, make sure it goes into the ditch. Then I'm going to match this same pin right here into that other point, exactly where I want it. And I'm going to stand that pin up. And now it's got my points there. And I want to bring another pin. I'm just going to come out here somewhere and bring that pin right up in that point where this pin is. Let's see if I can get it. And now I can pull this one out. This is where I'm going to sew. I'm going to take my sewing machine and sew right up to here. Right when I get to that point, I pop the pin out. So I'm going to need to do that with this point, and this point. So let me do one more for you to see. Put the pin straight up and down.
And you're looking at the bottom, right, Karen? Also the piece, that way you're matching your points.
Right there, you mean?
Yes.
Yes. And I want it to come out, of course I don't need to on a paper piecing, but yes, you're right. If you had another quilt, so you would want to make sure it's coming out right where you want it to go. And then I'm going to put it in here, right there on, and like I said, on the low part where the ditch is. This is where the seam has been pressed to the white here. Same thing, hold it straight up and down. Bring another pin and make it come up right there. It even bumps into that pin when I pull it up and pull that pin out. So this makes the piece or everything stay in place right till you get it with the machine.
That is so awesome. You know what? I am horrible at matching my points. And now that you've showed us this, I'm going to be doing this because I bet all my points will be lined up now. That's fantastic, Karen.
It really works, and it has saved me so much ripping. So sometimes I have to take it out and try again, no matter what I do. So it's a really good method.
I love it. Thank you for sharing that with them. That's a great tip.
I hope you enjoyed that tip and that it will help you in the future. If you have a tip that you want to share, please leave it in the comments below and we will put you on here.
You know, Karen, the last time that we filmed Tipsy Tuesday, we didn't read out one of the reviews. And so I would like to read out one of the reviews that we recently received. And it is from Rochelle Couch. And Rochelle Couch says, been doing business with this company for 34 years. Bought 2 sewing machines and both still working. Rochelle, thank you for being a part of keeping us in business since 1950. We appreciate your review and we hope to see you real soon. Make sure to like us on Facebook. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click that little notification down below. Like this video. The more you like, the more we give. So until next time, guys, thanks for tuning in.
To Tipsy Tuesday.
To Tipsy Tuesday.
And thank you, Dorothy, for the tip on using white wine. We appreciate that.
Thank you.